Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, May 22nd. This is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So, anyways, on the US dollar Swiss, I still think this is a completion of a pullback right here. And I still think on the 4 hour time frame, it will make lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, and just keep on making those lower lows, lower highs, probably going down and taking out the previous lows, and potentially going a lot lower than that. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement from the last end of a pullback right here on the 1 hour to the last swing low. So I'm definitely looking at this move up right here as likely just a pullback to the last move down. So I'm definitely looking for one, two, three waves up, two-way Fibonacci retracement level, and I'm looking for it to respect a Fib level with a nice engulfing move to the downside. And if it does that, that right there would be my next entry to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. I personally am only looking for shorts because I'm not a short time frame trader. But if you are a short time frame trader, maybe you could catch a little bit of a long, get out of your long, and then go short for the continuation of the downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.